Hi, I'm Matt O'Rourke, Master Plumber and President of Z Plumbers. Before we begin, please be sure to refer to the installation guide and specification sheet. Always check your local plumbing code. Let's begin. We will now be installing the Anthem Digital Control. Included in the box is the control, 32 feet of cable, and mounting bracket. While installing the mounting bracket, we're going to put it in the position that we like it and make sure that we are level. We will mark where to install our anchors and to where to drill. Apply a thin bead of sealer or silicone in these three areas. We will install the anchors now. After securing the bracket, we are going to connect the D-shaped cable. It is a one-way cable. Push it all the way till it stops. We are then going to push the cable into the wall, mounting the controller, slide it to the right until you hear a soft click. Then the unit will be locked into place. This concludes our installation of the Anthem Digital Control. For additional support, please contact the KOHLER Trade Hotline, 920-803-3927. Available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.